The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to unbox some eyeshadow palettes that I got from JUVIA'S place. I'm really happy to do this with you guys. So if you want to see how it goes, please keep on watching, and after this I'm going to do a tutorial so you guys can see. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and yeah, comment and share it with your friends and family. Until I see you next time, stay blessed. Bye.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. And they change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each paper still I fall to.
Let's see. Okay, this is a Masquerade by JUVIA'S. I ordered quite a few because I ordered it from their beautiful. This is gorgeous. This is beautiful. So this one is the Magic by JUVIA. Oh, this is good. Wow, this is beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see it. So beautiful. I got another one. It's a Masquerade by JUVIA'S. Okay, let's see what's inside this one. This is good. Wow, it has so many colors. I think this one is 9. Yeah. And I got this. I got this one. This one is Festival by JUVIA'S. Again, it's like I got the whole collection. I really love their palette. Wanted to get it for a long time. So, wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. The colors are amazing. So it has so many colors and their names as well. Yeah. Okay. Let's see others. I think I'm going to do a tutorial with this palettes. Okay. So this one is a Nigerian too. Oh, amazing. No, this one came out a bit a while ago, so but I'm just purchasing mine now, so that's why I needed to get a few because few of them. This video is not sponsored or anything. I'll just leave it. Okay, so this one is the Zulu by JUVIA'S. Wow, the color is so pigmented as well. I think they are gorgeous. They are really, really gorgeous. Beautiful. I think I'm not going to need any eyeshadow palettes in a while now. This one is the JUVIA'S by JUVIA'S. I don't know if you can see it. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing it well. Let's go ahead and do this one. Just looking because this one and this one looks a bit okay, yeah. They are not the same. I just want to show you guys this one and this one. Yep, they're totally different colors. Okay. So this one is the blush.
Seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching.
So nice.
It slowly
Oh.
crawls. Each new one starting.
I'm so happy I got this. I've been saving to get this for a while now. Okay, this is Saharan brush here as well, volume 1. So okay, this one is the one I just showed you now is volume 2. I'll just put it like this. This is the volume 2. So this is the volume 1. Let's see. Wow, this is amazing. Amazing. Like I said, I got like a lot because I don't want to order. Maybe tomorrow I'll say, oh, I think I should have got this one, I should have got this one or that one. So that's why I just like, you know what, I'm going to get a quite few, so I don't want to lack anything. Like I don't want to lack the like the main colors, you know. So yeah, I'm quite happy with the color. So this one is the the Festival Liquid Lip by JUVIA'S. So I think this one came with this one. Yeah. So when I was ordering it, I think I saw the the lipstick, and I decided to get it as well. Look at it. So beautiful. So beautiful. Yeah, I've not tried it, but I'm going to the tutorial with one of them now, so we can see how they are. Oh, I'm so pleased. I'm really pleased with the colors. That is it. This is how it came. Like this one, lots of things. So I got it from their website from US. I ordered it online. So like I've showed you all before, but I actually bought this festival collection in bundle. Like if you're buying, they will give you some just few discounts. I bought this too for $38. I think if you're buying one it will be a bit higher. I don't know how much they're selling it now, but so that's how much I got it. I got the blush in a bundle as well. The bundle is, I got these two, the volume 1 and volume 2. I got them together and the price is $36. So that's all. NikkieTutorials. She did a tutorial about it, and she left coupon down her description box. You save yourself some coin. So I got discount, 20% discount coupon Nikkie. This is what I got off, and this is my total amount. Although I paid in pounds, when you convert, exchange, customer service is okay, but they sent it. I got it like 2 weeks or even more than. But I was waiting for it. It's supposed to come early. I think it's not fast. I got my stuff and I'm happy about it. It arrived, and I can see that it has arrived here in UK. I checked my email and they said they can't deliver it until I pay £50, 50 point, I think that one was 50.30 something pence. I'm just thinking that is a bit much. Oh, that's my own negative aspect of it. But anyway, I'm okay. I'm happy. I got my whole palette. As you can see, no thin spots, no, you can't, they are all fine, safe and sound, so I'm quite happy about it. So I'm going to go ahead and do a simple makeup tutorial so you guys can see, and I want to see how it looks as well. If you want to see how I'm going to apply this, or just keep on watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. And if this is your first time of coming to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of this family, because I make videos on how to do braids, how to cook some delicacies as well, how to make wig, how to do box braid, just different types of hair, and of course makeup. So yeah, thank you Nikkie for the coupon that I used in purchasing this. Is something, so I'm actually grateful. So Nikkie, if you're watching, thank you. Yeah guys, keep on watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change, but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Oh, this season. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Just like another season. The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.